Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another 8-minute instant cleaning motivation. I really enjoy doing these videos now. I feel like they're so motivating, especially if you don't have a lot of time to watch 15 or 20-minute cleaning video. It's also good for me because I can get my cleaning done faster because I don't have to worry so much about all the different angles. Tell me in the comments if you enjoy those short videos so I can make more. On this day, I started with a load of laundry and then I went straight into the kitchen where I'm organizing the fridge. There were some leftovers in there that I had to get rid of, and I also checked for expired products and throw them away. I won't clean the fridge because it wasn't necessary. I just had to organize it a little since I knew we will go grocery shopping tomorrow. I am now cleaning the table with my splendid kitchen foam cleaner and wet cleaning cloth, and when I'm done with that, I will move to the dishes. I just put away all the clean dishes and now it's time to start washing the dirty ones. We just had lunch, so I had quite a lot, and there were also some from leftovers that were in the fridge.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why?
Now that I'm done with the dishes, I will clean the stovetop, and for that I'm using Dr. Beckman Glass Stovetop Cleaner. After I'm done with that, I will also clean the counters. Today I decided that I will take everything off and wipe the entire thing down. I don't do that every day, but I like to clean it that way at least once a week.
Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling.
Now I'm putting everything back on, and then I will wash the remaining dishes before I move to the floors.
Empty hearts and neon lights.
I will sweep and mop the floors in here as well. For mopping, I will use my Villera spin mop and I will fill it with hot water, and I will add a little vinegar and dish soap.
And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more
Now I'm moving into the bedroom where I'm stripping the bed so I can change the sheets.
Where we started out. La, 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 oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.
I also decided to organize this drawer under the bed because all the things were just thrown in there. As you can see, I will take everything out and clean the inside and then fold everything and put it back nicely.
I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim,
In here, I keep most of my summer clothes like short skirts and swimwear. I store them here because I don't use them a lot. I was thinking to also put my tank tops and t-shirts in there, but then I changed my mind because I use them all throughout the year, but these items in here I really only use for 2 or 3 months in the summer.
get me out of now.
And now the last thing I have to do is fold this big mountain of laundry. I think there was 3 or even 4 loads in there waiting for me.
Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no. Midnight, wasted, friends all around.
And that is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this quick cleaning motivation. If you did, please give it a thumbs up or leave a comment. It really helps my channel a lot. If you are new, please subscribe if you like the video and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!